Hey, welcome to my video on how to trade on decentralized exchanges. In this video, we're going to go over how to complete a trade on the decentralized exchange Uniswap using the decentralized MetaMask wallet. MetaMask is one of the most popular decentralized wallets in the crypto space, and Uniswap being one of the most popular decentralized exchanges. So the very first thing you'll need to do is download the wallet to your browser. For that, you'll click on Download For, and whatever browser you're using, it works with all the most popular ones, whether it's Brave, Firefox, Chrome, or what have you. Simply click Download, add the extension, and wait 1 second for that to install. And then once that is installed, I like to pin it to the top so it's always accessible. And then you'll simply agree to the terms, create the new wallet, agree, select the password. That password will be for your computer only. If anyone else has access to your computer, they will need the password to be able to access your wallet. Understand, create new wallet. All right, and there we go. We have created the wallet. Now you'll want to secure your wallet, which means you want to view your 12-word seed phrase, which is a recovery phrase. Should anything happen to your device, this 12 words is the backup. You can restore this in a new wallet on a different device later, and it will restore your wallet and all of your funds. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to hit Remind Me Later. And the wallet has successfully been created. All right. And then enhanced transaction protection, we will enable that. You can read through that. And then here is your wallet. Now, the very first thing you need to do is fund your wallet with some Ethereum. Ethereum is the gas that the blockchain, the Ethereum blockchain specifically, needs to transact with. So it costs small fees to transact on the Ethereum blockchain, and you pay those fees with actual Ethereum. So first thing you need to do is fund your wallet. There's two ways you can do that. You can select the address here, copy the address, and you can send Ethereum from another wallet you have, or if you have a friend that's willing to send you Ethereum or someone that you're buying it from, they send it to this address and it will go directly to this wallet, your wallet. The other way is you can actually purchase Ethereum directly from within the wallet, clicking Buy, Sell. And that will take you to a page where you simply select what country you're from, your state, and then it gives you the payment methods available to you: debit or credit card, PayPal, ACH, bank transfer. And then from there, you just enter your payment details and click Continue. I am confident you can do that part on your own. We won't walk through that because I have Ethereum in another wallet that I'm just going to send here for the sake of time and the video to fund my wallet. So you select one of these if that's the method you're using, and you'll be credited with your corresponding Ethereum in your wallet. For me, I will copy the address and send it from my other wallet to myself. Let me do that right now. Okay. I am sending that, and that should come through any moment here. And once it does, we'll see it reflect in this wallet. When you first open the wallet here in the tab, it will give you these welcome messages that you can X out, and it won't bother you again after that. We'll close this and close this, and we have the wallet, so we will close this, and we are at the exchange page. Still, just waiting for the funds to come in, which should be any second now. Oh, there we go. The funds have arrived. And there you go. It's updated in the wallet. So now we will launch the Uniswap app to enter the exchange to trade for some tokens. So we're going to sell some Ethereum, and we are going to buy Now in here, you have a list of all the most popular tokens. There are literally thousands of them. The most popular and trusted ones are in here. Trusted as in they're not scam contracts that are just going to take your money and never give it back right away. But you still want to do your due diligence and research on anything you put money into, obviously. But some of the more popular ones are right up here, which are the stable coins. And then wrapped Bitcoin, which is a Bitcoin synthetic on the Ethereum blockchain, meaning it basically follows and mirrors the Bitcoin price, but it's on the Ethereum blockchain, making it easy to trade in and out of within the Ethereum ecosystem. So what I'm going to do is, well, let's go ahead and get some of that wrapped Bitcoin. Click on there. And then as you can see, we have Ethereum, and we're going to connect the wallet for the first thing. Hit connect and then select MetaMask. And then just fair warning, once in a while, you'll have to restart the browser if you don't see MetaMask as an option here when you first install it, depending on your browser or setup. Sometimes it requires a browser restart before it recognizes it. And that's only on the very first time that you install the wallet. Sometimes the website doesn't recognize the wallet because you don't have it installed yet. You install it, it still doesn't register. Basically just close the browser, reopen it, and it works. And then from there, you connect the wallet to the website by selecting next and confirm. And now we are connected. So we are now connected to the decentralized exchange. Now we can select the token we wish to purchase. And you can also sort by name here. Like if you wanted the AVE token, just start typing and it will populate everything that starts with the letters you type in, but we'll go with the wrapped Bitcoin. And then we have a max of 0.13 Ethereum, but you want to save room to pay for the gas fee, so you don't want to use everything. For this, we will just do a tiny bit. That's probably too tiny. Let's do $33 worth of wrapped Bitcoin. So if we do that, we hit swap, and then you confirm the swap. And then, wait 1 second, it updates with the fee information. You'll have to pay these fees to actually swap the coins. As I said, all fees are paid with Ethereum. Click confirm, and it is submitting the transaction. You are on your way to completing your first decentralized swap or exchange with both a decentralized wallet, which is MetaMask, and decentralized exchange, which here is Uniswap. And whichever exchange you choose to use with, most of them work with MetaMask. It's the most popular wallet on the Ethereum blockchain. And all of the transactions are extremely similar to this process here. As you can see, it just went through. So no need to do that. Your transaction is complete. And then in the wallet, you'll be able to see that we actually have 0. That means it's been confirmed. It means it's actually been confirmed. And if you click here, you can go to the Ethereum blockchain itself, Explorer, and you can view the details of the transaction. Now we have 2 block confirmations. And yeah, you can see we exchanged $33 worth of Ethereum, paid a $4 gas fee. It usually comes in, the fee it quotes you in the wallet is estimated. It usually comes in as a little bit cheaper. And you can see it's been swapped to wrapped Bitcoin on the Explorer. But now let's look at it in the actual wallet. And here you have it. Well, actually, what you'll want to do, click on tokens. Here's the activity showing it. This stupid thing is blocking it. Back up now. You won't have that because you will do that ahead of time as a responsible user. Make sure you do that. Back up your seed phrase. click tokens, and then you can import a token to view it in the wallet, import it by simply typing WBTC, which for the wrapped Bitcoin, import, and it will show it right here. We have the $32.49 worth of wrapped Bitcoin. And that's it. We now have Ethereum and Bitcoin in our wallet because we made an exchange. And that's how you use a decentralized exchange. I hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.